Hello. Salmon pea risotto. To be honest, I wasn't going to film it because I wasn't confident on how to actually do it. So what I've done is grilled the salmon. That's it, flaked up into a bowl after removing the skin. So that's waiting to go into the risotto once it's all soaked up the chicken and vegetable stock. I've got some parmesan to put in, and that's the white wine Chardonnay, which is a glass of that's gone into the risotto as well to start it off and give it flavour. That's put the lights on. Okay, that's the risotto cooking away or so. What? Okay. It's alright. That's the risotto soaking up the liquid with the rice. It was about a third of the jar that I put in. Those are the peas, and that's the stock. Okay, I'll show you what I've done a bit later on. Just to recap, that's probably about 800 grams of salmon. There was probably about 350 or a third to a half of that jar of risotto rice. That's as much parmesan as you feel you want to put into risotto, which I will do after the peas have gone in. I added, so far there's been a glass of wine and 8 ladles of the stock. As you can see, the peas warming up nicely. The base was about 2/3 of a leek or a scallion, and what was left of the bag of onions that are used for the curry. Okay, as you can see, it's the last 2 ladles going in, and I tasted the rice. It's still a bit hard in the middle. The stock was a pan of water to about 3/4 of an inch from the top of a, I think that's a 2-pint saucepan, and I put 2 Knorr chicken stock cubes in and 1 vegetable stock cube, and that's what I'm using at the moment to let the rice absorb for flavour. As you can see, I've put the peas in. Before I put them in, I added after draining them, I added a good knob of butter, quite large, to coat the peas before I put it in. Now I'll put the parmesan in and stir that in as well. And it was about 12 ladles full of the stock. As the rice is soft all the way through now, which is the way that we all like it, this meal will serve 3 with a good plateful. Yeah, in a minute, love. I've added the some black pepper, and I've added the salmon as well, and this is just getting ready. The salmon is warming up just before I dish it up onto the plates. Bit untidy today, but as you can see, they've got parmesan to scrape over the top if we want. Oh God, excuse me. Oh well, 3 on the go. But that's good sized plates. We've got 3 good meals out of that. Okay, enjoy. Bye bye.